Online surveys have become a popular way for people to earn some extra cash by simply sharing their opinions. Companies are always looking for feedback from their target market, and online surveys provide an efficient way to collect data. In this video, we will discuss how to make money by sharing your opinion through online surveys. Step 1. Find legitimate survey websites. The first step is to find legitimate survey websites that pay for completed surveys. Some of the popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Toluna, and Windale Research. Ensure that you read reviews and check the website's rating on the Better Business Bureau website before signing up. Step 2. Sign up and complete your profile. Once you have identified legitimate survey websites, sign up for an account and complete your profile. Your profile information helps the survey websites to match you with relevant surveys. Ensure that you provide accurate information to avoid being disqualified from surveys. Step 3. Select and complete surveys. After signing up and completing your profile, select surveys that match your interests and qualifications. Some surveys have demographic requirements, such as age, gender, location, and income level. Therefore, ensure that you qualify for a survey before starting it. Complete surveys honestly and accurately, as some surveys have attention check questions to ensure that you are paying attention. Step 4. Earn rewards. Most survey websites reward participants with points that can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or merchandise. Accumulate as many points as possible by completing surveys regularly. Some survey websites also offer referral bonuses, where you earn points for referring new members to the website. Step 5. Cash out your earnings. Once you have accumulated enough points, cash out your earnings. Some survey websites have a minimum payout threshold, so ensure that you reach the minimum threshold before requesting payment. Payment options vary depending on the website and may include PayPal, check, or direct deposit. Step 6. Be aware of scams. Unfortunately, there are also scam survey websites that promise high payouts but never pay their members. Be wary of survey websites that ask for upfront payments, promise unrealistic rewards, or ask for personal information such as credit card details. In conclusion, online surveys provide a legitimate way to earn some extra cash by sharing your opinion. However, it's crucial to find legitimate survey websites, complete your profile accurately, select and complete relevant surveys, accumulate points, and cash out your earnings. Be aware of scams and always research survey websites before signing up. With these tips, you can make money by sharing your opinion through online surveys.